Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about the spacing. So there are three main spacing syntaxes in LaTeX that we can use. So this is the default spacing that you see here, for example. Then we have the single spacing. You see that the spaces are a bit larger between the lines. When I comment this, you see that they are more compact. And when I uncomment, they're a bit larger. So single spacing is the first option. If you would like to have a bit larger space, we would have to type down \1/2 spacing. So let me comment it again and compile. So you see the difference. So this is the 1/2 spacing, and then we have the double spacing where we have a lot of space between each line here. So basically, if you would like to have a normal spacing, you don't have to do anything. The LaTeX do the default. However, if you would like to have some uh, spacing more than the default value, you can simply use the code for spacing here, like whatever that you would like: single spacing, 1/2 spacing, and double spacing. But please note that before using these lines, you need to include a use package set space in the beginning as a header, and then start using the syntaxes. Thank you for watching.